Business is the organized effort of individual to produce and sell for a profit and goods and service the society needs. No person or group of the person or quality organizes American business as we know it today. Rather, over these years individuals have organized their own particular business for this own particular resources. All these individual business and all these indication between these business are their consumers have give resort to what we call American business. A person who risks his or her time, effort, and money start and operated a business is called an veteran. To organize a business, an entrepreneur must combine four skills or resources: material, human, financial, and information. Material resource includes the raw material used in manufacturing process as well as buildings and machinery. Human resource are the people who brings their labor to the business the firm for weeks. The financial resources is the money required to pay employees, purchase material, and generally keep to business operating. And information is the resources that tells the managers of the business how effectively the offered resources are being combined and united. Business are generally of three types: manufacturing business or manufacturers are organized to process factories material into tangible goods such as delivery, touch of tools. Service business product service such as clothes or legal activity, and some firms called middlemen are organized to buy the goods produced by manufacturers and the resell them. For example, the General Electric Company is a manufacturer that product called radios. This procedure may be sold to rating middlemen, which they resell them to consumers in the rating stores. Consumers are individuals who purchase goods or services for their own person uses rather than to resell them. All three types of business may sell either or to other firms or to consumers. In both cases, the ultimate objective for every firm must be to satisfy the needs of these consumers. People generally don't buy goods and services solely to own them. They buy products to satisfy practical needs. People rarely buy an automobile solely to store in a garage. They do, however, buy automobile to satisfy their needs for transportation. Some of you might feel the need is best served by an air-conditioned BMW with stereo, caster player, automatic transmission, power steering and windows, and remote control side mirrors. Others might leave the effort truss with a 6-seat shift and a AM radio will do just fine. Both products are available to those who want them, along with a wide variety of other products that satisfy and need for transformation. When firms losing of their consumers' needs, they are like for firms the going rounds. But when the business, the product and sell goods and services on user net, their consumers need work to satisfy those needs. They are used to scarceful. In the consumers of normal operation of a business receives money sales revenue for its consumers is exchange for goods and or service. Business allows pay out money to suffer the various experience involved in doing business. In the firm sales, variant in grade, the is examples is this higher and a profit. So profit is what remains after a business expenses have been downsted for sales revenue. A negative profit which results with a firm's examples acknowledge that its sales revenue is called a loss. The profit earned by a business becomes the productivity of these owners. So in one sense, profit in the restaurant or reward the business owner referred for products, goods, and service the consumers. When profit is a loss, the payment the business owners refers for as something the considerable risk ownership. One of these is the risk of not being paid. Everyone else, every race, species, and leaders must be paid before an awareness. And if there is nothing left over, if there is no profit, there can be not payments to owners. Exalt risk the overrisk run is the risk of losing whatever they have won into the business. A business that consider earn a profit very likely to play, in which case the owners lose whatever money, effort, and time they have integrated. For business overseas, the client of business is to earn a profit in spite of their risk.